Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to add favorites on Safari. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna choose your page from whatever. So let's say, for example, I want to add this page to my favorites. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the upload thing, and I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here add to reading list, all right, or add to favorites. So I'm gonna just click add to favorites, right, and it's been saved to my favorites once I click a new tab. All right, so how do I delete it, or how do I see all my favorites, and how I manage to delete it? So you're gonna see right here the book icon right here, book sign. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the book sign right here, and as you can see, you will see your favorite by just clicking the bookmarks. And as you can see right here, the book sign, you will go to your favorites, and you're gonna see all the saved favorites on Safari. All right, so if you want to delete like a bunch of them, you're gonna just hit edit, and you're gonna just delete it, and you're gonna just manage to delete whatever you want. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.